Welcome to our detailed comparison of top-selling robot vacuums. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus, the iROBOT Roomba Q0120, the EUFY L60, and the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Each model has distinct features, from powerful suction to self-emptying docks and compatibility with apps and voice controls. Let's explore their pros and cons. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus offers an impressive 5,500 pascals suction, perfect for deep cleaning both carpets and hard floors, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. Its self-emptying dock can hold up to 7 weeks' worth of debris, providing unmatched convenience and less frequent maintenance. Advanced PreciSense LiDAR Navigation allows efficient home mapping and obstacle avoidance, enhancing the vacuum's cleaning efficiency. With app and voice control, you can easily schedule cleanings and set no-go zones, making it highly adaptable to your cleaning needs. The DuoRoller brush minimizes hair tangling, ideal for pet owners who need to maintain a fur-free home environment. On the downside, its higher price point and lack of mopping capabilities might deter those seeking a more budget-friendly, all-in-one solution. Next, the iROBOT Roomba Q0120 is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for users new to robot vacuums who want straightforward controls. With power-lifting suction, it efficiently handles hard floors and low-pile carpets, offering reliable general floor cleaning. It adapts well between different surfaces, ensuring a seamless transition from hard floors to carpets during cleaning. Smart navigation cleans in neat, orderly rows, ensuring thorough coverage of your home without random patterns. Self-charging capabilities mean the Roomba automatically returns to its dock when the battery is low, ensuring it's always ready to clean. However, it lacks the power for deep cleaning and doesn't include a self-emptying dock or mapping capabilities, limiting its efficiency in larger homes. Next, the EUFY L60 features a self-emptying station that holds up to 60 days' worth of debris, minimizing the need for frequent dustbin emptying. Its hair detangling technology is specifically designed for pet owners, reducing maintenance related to pet hair. With a suction power of 5,000 pascals, it delivers strong cleaning performance across various floor types, making it versatile. The compact design allows it to reach under furniture and navigate tight spaces with ease, enhancing its cleaning coverage. Its less advanced mapping and basic app controls may limit customization and efficiency, especially in complex home layouts. Moreover, lacking a mopping feature, it is strictly a vacuum, which may not suit those looking for dual cleaning functions. Lastly, the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers dual functionality with vacuuming and sonic mopping for a thorough clean. Its powerful suction is excellent for picking up pet hair and fine particles on both hard floors and carpets, ensuring a clean environment. A HEPA filter captures allergens and fine dust, making it ideal for allergy sufferers who need cleaner air quality. The self-empty base holds up to 60 days of debris, combining convenience with cost-effectiveness in maintenance. Smart mapping allows for efficient room-specific cleaning, optimizing its performance across different areas of your home. However, its bulky design requires more storage space, and it can be louder, especially during mopping or high suction modes. In conclusion, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is best for powerful suction and navigation, the iROBOT Roomba Q0120 for ease of use, the EUFY L60 for pet owners, and the Shark AV 2610 WA for mopping capabilities. Our top recommendation is the Roborock Q5 Max Plus for its superior suction, efficient navigation, and long-lasting self-emptying dock, making it perfect for larger homes. However, if you seek a vacuum that can also mop, the Shark AV 2610 WA offers a great 2-in-1 solution for mixed flooring. Well, that's a wrap. Check the description below for Amazon links to these products. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for visiting our channel. Help us by liking, subscribing, and commenting your thoughts.